Hi, welcome. I'm Marta Vale with Realty One Group MVP. Today at my open house at 5932 Gala Drive in Webb in Ave Maria. I will show it to you. It's really beautiful. It's a Mystique floor plan. Let me turn this around so to show it to you. So this is where you're coming from. If you turn left here, you're going to be almost right away at the Oasis Club, the beautiful clubhouse, actually two clubhouses of Webb. Back there was the cul-de-sac. And this house here is a 2-bedroom plus den, 2-bath home with a garage that's a two-car garage plus room for a golf cart. And you can see actually the sellers also made it a little bit more modern, coastal looking with the lights, numbers and everything. They changed the door here to be impact glass. Before there was no glass, and the whole house is tiled throughout. Very beautiful tiled. So straight ahead you have the kitchen to the right, the living area to the left, the den over here, and then right away here you have an extra bedroom. So it's a 2-bedroom plus den. This is the extra secondary bedroom with a fan, plantation shutters that were added. And then here the bathroom, the second bathroom, and you can see there is also a glass door for the shower that was added. And then over here, so like back here is the living area and the kitchen. Here we have the laundry. We have a utility sink and the washer and dryer. Back here is the AC with a little bit of space, storage space. Here's the 2-car garage with extra space for golf cart. As you see, it's epoxy flooring, and you see all this extra space. That's really nice. This house, it's still under the 1-year warranty from the builder, which is transferable, and it has also other builder warranties. So this here's the den, also tiled, the plantation shutters, fan. You can use it has a double door. You can use it as a bedroom if you want a 3rd bedroom. And here you have the living area. Really beautiful. 0 corner sliders in the back. Here beautiful pendants. Kitchen with a beautiful backsplash crown. Also added recessed lighting. Really pretty. And these are the 0 corner sliders, which are one of my favorites because they open up to the outer space here. This is an extended lanai, screened in with picture frame views. And this is one of the largest lakes in Webb, which is really nice. Like its width is very big, so you're not as close to the other houses. You're also not close to, for example, Orwell Road, which is a busy road. So this is here really nice. Let me show you the master bedroom. Here. And also this beautiful light fixture, and again the beautiful view in the back of the lake. You can see the sun actually sparkling here. And then here you have the master bathroom with a dual sink. Beautiful fixtures, walk-in shower here with a bench. And also reach over here. The linen closet, the water closet right here, and then the walk-in closet. So please give me a call with any questions or in order to see the house. My phone number is right here, and I look forward to welcoming you in Ave Maria. Thank you and God bless you.